Lezi ndaba zehora lesikhombisa sikwethulela zona bukhoma ekomkhulu le-SABC Auckland Park eGoli naze inohlonze kusithwa nje.
Work with municipalities to capacitate the electricity department without usurping or take over the function of electricity reticulation.
Uyaphothulwa namhlanje umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC nalapho leli qembu libhunge khona ngengqinamba eziningi ezisakhungethela kuleli kanye namasu okuyixazulula lezi ngqinamba.
Yesterday, I sent letters to 8 political party leaders in the National Assembly requesting their support.
EFF Plus isiqinisekisile ukuthi isicela amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ayisishiyagalombili ukuba babambisane naye esicolweni sasenkantolo sokuphikisana nomthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba ocikicwe umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa. Kusasa inkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli izolalela isicelo esifakwe wabe ngumengameli wezwe uJacob Zuma neqembu umkhonto wesizwe sokuphoqa iSABC ukuba iyeke ukubiza uhulumeni wakuleli ngeGovernment of National Unity. Nina benyathi kandaba ejame ngomkhonto ophezu komzimvubu siyakhuleka nina bezinyane lengezengeze. Ongqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHosiyenso Ramokgopa uveze ukuthi njengoba sebeyixazululile nje inkinga yogesi kulelizwe sebebheke ukuxazulula ezinye ingqinamba ezikhungethe abantu bakulelizwe. uDokotela Ramokgopa usho lokhu ngesikhathi siqhubeka umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC eKempton Park eGoli namhlanje.
Umhlangano we-ANC ubambele eKempton Park eGoli uqhubekile namhlanje. Ungqongqoshe wezogesi uDokotela uHosiyenso Ramokgopa uthe njengoba nje sekuphela izinsuku engamakhulu amathathu kungenankinga yogesi kuleli, inhloso yabo manje ukuthi wonke umuntu angakhali ngokuthi ugesi umba eqolo.
Use non-conventional or innovative ways of ensuring that we get electricity to people, such as microgrid. Then work with municipalities to capacitate the electricity department without usurping or take over the function of electricity reticulation, because as they are revenue earner. And in so doing, you are resolving the entire complex. But in the short term, everyone needs to get electricity.
Ilungu lesigungu esiphezulu ku-African National Congress uZuko Dlimpi ubalule ukuthi isitatimende seqembu somhlaziyi isishiyagalombili kuMasingana sinikeza umhlahlandlela mayelana nokulungiswa kwayi-ANC. Uthe leli qembu lakho uhulumeni ozokwazi ukubeka eqhulwini zonke izinto ezimqoka kubantu.
Our discussions on inclusive economy with deliberations covering industrial policy, mass employment programs and the digital economy. The second one is on tackling poverty and the high cost of living. And the third one is on local government with a focus on advancing water and energy security.
Lo mhlangano wenzuke imbili we-ANC oqala izolo usongwa namhlanje. Silindo kuhle ngidi eindabeni ze-SABC.
FF Plus isiqinisekisile ukuthi sicela amanye amaqembu ezombusazwe ayisishiyagalombili ukuba babambisane naye esicolweni sasenkantolo sokuphikisana nomthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba ocikicwe umengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa. Kodwa-ke amaqembu amabili okuyi-ATM neRise Mzansi asenqabile lesimemo.
FF Plus uGqirha Peter Groenewald uthi uzigqithisile ileta zembalelwano kumaqela asibhozo ebekhona kwiParlamente yesithandathu nakulena yesixhenxe iParlamente malunga nalomba.
I confirm that yesterday I sent letters to 8 political party leaders in the National Assembly requesting their support that we can refer the Expropriation Act in terms of Section 80 of the Constitution to the Constitutional Court to validate its constitutionality.
Ngoko Groenewald umgaqo-seko uyawavumela amalungu endlu yowiso-mthetho ukuba acele umngeni kwindlu yowiso-mthetho nowuphi na umthetho. I-DA nayo ithe ingavumela uthethathethwano lendibaniselano nawuphi na umbutho ngelikhaba lomthetho.
We'll support any process that leads to the constitutional determination of this bill. However, I don't think that we need to go through those processes. I think we can approach the Constitutional Court through the legal processes there in order to that, but we will work together with all parties.
Kodwa eminye imibutho emibini ibithe yakhwetywa owe-ATM kunye neRise Mzansi ithe yasikhaba esi sicelo.
Rise will not be supporting this action, as we believe the the Act to be sound and to be in line with Section 25 of the Constitution, as well as the Constitution in its entirety.
The only acceptable law is the one that fully expresses the need for justice and reparation for the masses who have suffered systemic injustice. We will only consider aligning with any movement if they recognize and stand against these injustices.
Kundaba ze-SABC ndingu-Abonge Khobokana seParliament.
I-PACT yakweseka ukucikicwa komthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba. Leli qembu belibamba umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu wey'nsuku ey'ntathu kule mpelasonto eGoli.
Komthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba ukhetho lohulumeni bezindawo lwangonyaka ozayo kanye nomhlangano olandelayo wesigungu esiphezulu saleli qembu yizona ezibekwe eqhulwini ngesikhathi kusingathwe ingqungquthela yokuqala ye-PAC.
Policies of all proposals we are going to table a bill in Parliament soon, which is going to be the redistribution bill. And that bill that's why I called this signing of expropriation bill, at least this is the start of a process.
Leli qembu lithi likulungele ukubhekana ne-DA njengoba ihlela ukuphikisa lo mthetho wokubuyiselwa komhlaba.
We definitely oppose the objection because we don't understand why anybody in this country would agree with an apartheid law that was there since 1975. And when that apartheid law has been repealed in the very same democratic government, some people are complaining. What are they saying? Were they happy with the apartheid law? So we really accept and welcome the fact that the president has accented to.
Leli qembu lithi lizobamba ingqungquthela yalo yokukhetha ubuholi ngasekupheleni kwalonyaka.
Unobhala jikelele we-South African Communist Party uSolly Mapaila uthi ukucindezelwa kwembono ye-SACP ngozakwabo abakumbimbo olunxantathu akungabulungiswa emlandweni wemzabalazo walowo wabengunobhala wayo i-SACP uJoe Slovo.
uMapaila ngethuba ebalisa ngobunkokheli bukaJoe Slovo ugxeke kabukhali ukuba nenceba kombutho i-ANC ngakumakapitali awacacisa ngokuba atotobalisa inkqubo karhulumente kazwelonke yokuzisa inkonzo ezingundoqo eluntwini ukwakhalimekwa nokufakana kwamalungu lombutho emsebenzini i-cadre deployment esithi valela ngaphandle amalungu ombutho i-SACP. uMapaila umemelele kumbutho i-ANC ukuba uqinisekise ukulingana kwamandla phakathi kombutho i-ANC kwakunye ne-SACP kurhulumente kazwelonke.
We had made a public pronouncement that we will have bilateral talks before the NEC Lekgotla. The NEC Lekgotla is taking place. Next week there will be, or possibly next week or after, there will be government Lekgotla and so forth. So ANC will go on to implement programs without properly engaging its allies, despite our concern, especially around the government of national unity.
uMapaila udluliswe amazwi ovelwano kwiintsapho zamalungu omkhosi wokhuselo weli abhubhe eDRC.
We've seen new developments on the continent where people are taking up arms not as terrorists but to defend their countries, like in the Sahel region, where the decolonization is deepening in those areas. We've seen the removal of the French forces from Ivory Coast, from Niger, from Mali and Burkina Faso. These are important developments on the continent. Therefore, in the context of this, we need to review our defense system, particularly on the continent. But we need to protect democratically elected governments.
umemelele ukuba umbutho i-ANC usungula inkqubo ezikhokelisa inguqu kweli kwaneziza kuba lulutho kubantu abangathathi intweni. Ndingusidima Mfeku kwindaba ze-SABC Disemonti.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kusasa inkantolo ephakeme eseGoli lalele ukuphosela inselelo kwe-SABC iphoselwa iqembu i-MK ngokusebenzisa igama elithi uhulumeni wobumbano. Nyakenye lolu daba lafakwa enkantolo njengodaba oluphuthumayo kodwa lwakhishwa ohlwini lamacala aphuthumayo ngoNcwaba. Iqembu i-MK lafaka lolu daba enkantolo lufuna uthathe isenzo se-SABC njengesiphambene nomthetho osekelo wezwe futhi likhala nangokuphazamisa ukuyimela kwalenhlangano esakazela umphakathi. Encwadini efungele efakwe iqembu i-MK enkantolo ithi iy'nkulungwane zabantu bakuleli ilalela iphinde ibukele indaba se-SABC njengawo umthombo wabo ohamba phambili weindaba. uJacob Zuma uthi-ke isimo sokubuswa kwezwe njengamanje asikulungele ukubizwa ngohulumeni wobumbano kanti ukusetshenziswa kwaleli gama kungukwedusa umphakathi. Mbukile sathi qweyitolo kanti mangabe sibuya sizokuphathela udaba oluthini. ISADC sizwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngokuhlaselwa kwamasosha atshalwe kwelase Democratic Republic of Congo ngemva kokubulawa kwamasosha kuleli ayisishagalolunye kuleli yazwe. Asibongile sikwamukele imbukelo ngobusanda kungena udabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi uyaphothulwa namhlanje umhlangano wesigungu esiphezulu se-ANC nalapho leli qembu libhonge khona ngeyingqinamba eziningi ezisakhungethela kuleli kanye namaso okuyixazulula lezi ngqinamba. Mbukela sikhumbuzo ukuthi lezi ndaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube naku-SABC Plus. Ngena kuzo uyicinga amagama athi SABC izindaba na kanjani uzoyithola ngobunjalo bazo. ISADC sizwakalisa ukukhathazeka ngokuhlaselwa kwamasosha ayo ase-Democratic Republic of Congo. ISADC igxeka indlela enza ngayo amavukelambuso i-M23 khona e-DRC. Yabalula ukuthi lezi zenzo ikhombisa ukubukela phansi amandla kahulumeni nokushaya indiva udaba lokuthula kanye nokuphepha e-DRC nasesifundeni sayo ISADC. Ngesikhathi kuqhubeka lempi kushona amalungu ayisishagalolunye umbutho wezokuvikela kulelizwe kwathi amaningi alimala ayisikhombisa kulawa ashonile abe yingxenye yalawo masosha kulela atshalwa khona eDRC ngozibandlela wangonyaka u2023. Kusenjalo ISADC ithi lempi ishiye inkulungwane zabantu ishonile yaphoqa nokuba abantu abaningi base North Kivu babaleke beshiye amakhaya abo. Sithanda ukuxwayisa ababukeli abanenhliziyo eyisheshe izwele ngalombiko olandelayo ngokuba ungaba namaganyana alumelayo athinta ucansi. Isigcawu besilalela udaba lwesikhalo esifakwe ngomongameli behluleli esifundazweni Eastern Cape sigqamise ngokusobala igameko zokuhlukumezeka ngokocansi ezenzeka emsebenzini. Lesikhalo safakwa uAndiswa Mengo owumabhalane.
Lesi sigcawu sidonsa amehlo abaningi kulamasonto amabili edlule selokhu uAndiswa Mengo eqale ukulandisa ngobe kwenzeka phakathi kwakhe nejaji uMbenenge. Lesi sigcawu siqubuleke imbono engefani. Abazwelana noAndiswa Mengo baqagula ukuthi lokhu kuveza ubali izimo ezibhekana nabanye besifazane lapho besebenza khona. Abanye ke banomuzwa ukuthi kwakufanele lesimo asinqande izisuka.
Ndizawuphinda into bendiyithethe kwi-evidence in chief.
I am going to repeat what I've mentioned in my evidence in chief.
The respondent did not want to discern my voice of me saying no, and kula age akuya bengenoxelelwa ndim uba intone right ne wrong.
Okunye oqanyiswa yilesithangami impikiswano ngeinsolo zokuthi ijaji uMbenenge ngenzeka yini ukuthi la sebenzisa igunya namandla alinawo uma kuqhathaniswa noAndiswa Mengo yena uqashwe njengomabhalane ehovisi.
Sithetha ngomuntu one powers apha zokwenza nantoni na uyoyikisa emsebenzini uyoyikeka and wenza uba uzive umve xa ekhoyo wenza sure uba mve.
Lesi sigcawu siguqile kwesikhashana sizoze siqhubeke ngoNhlaba nonyaka phakathi komhla zi-5 kuya kumhla zi-16.
Inkampani ehlinzeka ngogesi eGoli City Power ithi siwedlulisile umqulu wayo wombiko esikhungweni esilawula ezamandla iNERSA ophikisana nesicelo se-Eskom efuna ukuphinda yenyusa intengo yogesi kulonyaka wezemali u2025-2026. Abe City Power bathike sithangamini zomphakathi abeyibanjwe ngenyanga edlule ngalolu daba basikhahlele ngenyawo zombili isinqumo se-Eskom njengoba ifuna ukugunyazwa iNERSA ukuthi kule minyaka emithathu ezayo ikwazi ukwenyusa intengo yogesi. Eskom ifake isinqumo sayo ngokwenyusa intengo yogesi ngokwesilinganiso sama-percent angama-36 kunyaka mali u2025-2026. iCity Power ikhathazekile ngokufunwa yi-Eskom kuzobiza ngokweqile. Sebenxusa iNERSA ngokuthi icubungula isicelo se-Eskom iphinde igunyaze isilinganiso sentengo yogesi ngendlela egculisayo nezolawuleka ngokufanele. I-Democratic Alliance esifundazweni iWestern Cape ithi isiqaphile isimo esenzeke emkhandlwini dolobha iKapa kulandela ukuthi ngoLwesihlanu kugasela amaphoyisa emahhovisi amalungu ekomiti lemeya uJP Smith noShansha. Amaphoyisa athi-ke ayaqhubeka nophenyo lwamathenda okwakhiwa kwezindlu kumasipala iKapa esifundazweni iWestern Cape.
Umholi we-DA esifundazweni uTertius Simmers uthi usexhumene nosihlalo wesigungu esiphezulu seqembu Helen Zille emva kokuthi amaphoyisa egasele emahhovisi omasipala njengengxenye yophenyo oluqhubekayo mayelana namathenda okwakhiwa kwezindlu. uSimmers uthi uphinde waxoxisana noSmith ochaze ngolwakhe ohlangothi ngokwenzekile.
I thought it was actually a hoax of what they were being told, and as such that hoax has now played itself out yesterday, so I think we will monitor this very closely, and I do believe that JP will be obviously engaging his legal team going forward, which I do support him in, because sadly in politics, when politics uses the apparatus of the state, I mean, we've seen this playing itself out. It does not go well down in such an instance where the credibility of the state institutions is actually questioned afterwards.
uSimazi uthi iqembu linemigudu yangaphakathi ekumele ilandelwa uma kuvela eminye imininingwane ngalolu daba.
As a dear Western Cape leader, until such time that we have the real facts of what's busy happening, why they did what they did, why the type of siege was executed yesterday, you know, we support JP Smith but also Xanthi Lindbergh in this fully. Because in the party, we do believe that you're innocent until proven guilty. And as such, that principle even accounts for my colleague JP Smith and Xanthi Lindbergh.
Kusenjalo amaqembu aphikisayo eKapa athi afuna kukhishwe uSmith noLindbergh ezikhundleni ukuze kungeke kuphazamiseke uphenyo.
Ungqongqoshe wezokuhlaliswa kwabantu uThembi Simelane unikele ngendlu entsha ceke emndenini wakwaKekana eOrlando East eSoweto. Lo mndeni walahlekelwa ikhaya ngesikhathi umlilo ungqongqisa kwasana kwakusendlini nyakenye.
Kwaqubuka umlilo umndeni wakwaKekana ungazelele ngonyaka oyedlule. Lo mlilo washiya kungekho lutho yonke into yaphenduka umlotha. Lo mndeni onamalunga ayishumi kwaphoqa ukuthi umpintshane emjondolo ukuze ufihle ikhanda.
Sivuya kakhulu sivuyisana futhi nefamily yakwaKekana kuba ke nyani i-situation yabo ibimbi imeko ebebe kuyo kakhulu so siyazinca njenge NHFC uba sikwazile uba sifumane ithuba loba sikwazi utshintsha impilo yabo ngalendlela siyitshintshe ngayo.
Manje ikhaya elisha linamagumbi amathathu okulala libanike ukukhululeka.
Uhulumeni ngibonga kakhulu isihlole sithi uhulumeni akasebenzi sibonile thina usebenzele makaqhubeka yenze nakwabanye angagcini kwaKekana kuphela ngathi uNkulunkulu ngambusisa.
Usizi lwalomndeni lwenza ukuthi babe phezulu ohlwini labadinga usizo.
The government ensures that it lives by its program. We didn't put them at the back of the allocation of RDP. We looked into their condition, do a proper assessment, demolish the entire house because it was burnt down. Almost the structure could also not be habitable, and we started the process of building another one.
Lendlu entsha ibuyise ithemba kulomndeni kulonyaka omusha.
Izakhamuzi zaseThekwini KwaZulu-Natal zithi seyihlala ngokwesaba njengoba enye indawo zokungcebeleka yaziwa ngeAlbert Park isiphenduke izinda seGilamkhuba kanye nabantu abangenamakhaya nabo sebethola indawo yokufihla ikhanda.
Abantu abahlala emgwaqeni sebenzele indawo ikhaya labo eduzane negamu leMetropolis. Leli paki elinezindawo zokudlala ibhola lomqwakiswano kanye nezindawo zokungcebeleka phambilini belisetshenziswa izakhamizi ukudlala kanye nokuphumula kuthiwa seliyekelelwe. Izingxenye zensimbi ebiye ipaki zicekelwe phansi.
Sibanjwa inkunzi ekseni masiphuma siye emsebenzini ogogo mama abakhethile obaba kubanjwa wonke umuntu bese kuthi siyacela kuhulumeni ukuthi ngoba ikimizamo esingayizama
bande kakhulu ubugebengu ngobukhona babo la so ubukhona babo la buphazamisa inhlalakahle yomphakathi.
Umasipala waseThekwini uthe udinga isikhathi ukuze uphawule kabanzi ngalolu daba. Lona Khadebe, SABC News eThekwini.
Bukelithibika lapha besikuphathele zona ngolaka Mageba siyabuya kusasa ngehora lokuqala emini usale kahle.